Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with your sales tip of the week. When it comes to achieving the success you desire in life, there is one attitude that will always be your best friend along the journey, and that is this: if it's going to be, it's up to me. You see, you are the master of your fate when it comes to what you will achieve and the success you'll experience in your career and in your life. Few understood this better than Napoleon Hill, who wrote the most read book on prosperity and success that has ever been published. His book, Think and Grow Rich, has been a guide to more highly successful people in the past century than any other book written during that period. Hill wrote that it takes half your life before you discover life is a do-it-yourself project. The sooner you learn that you are the maker of your own destiny and that what you want to achieve depends on what you're willing to do to achieve it, the sooner you will get to work on the do-it-yourself project of your success. You must define success before you can achieve it. Don't let what others say or do decide what your definition level of success will be. Since you are the one who will be responsible to make it happen, you are the one to decide what you want to achieve. Set your goals and work on them every day in steps that will take you to your ultimate objective. You will make mistakes along the way. Learn from them, but don't dwell on them. Learn from those around you who are reaching their goals, and don't be afraid to ask questions from others who are on their own journey towards success. Associate with winners and you will likely become one yourself. But remember, the success you reach will be yours to achieve. And say it to yourself every day: if it is to be, it's up to me. You see, on the flip side of that statement, a loser would say, well, it is what it is. Meaning that they just go with the flow and whatever happens, happens. And that's not a bad philosophy on life if you're satisfied with the status quo in life. The world is full of average people. The world is full of average car salespeople. But if you want to stick out as a real success, then you are the one who can make that happen. If it is to be, it's up to me. Live by that motto and your dreams and desires will become reality. And that concludes another tip of the week. And as always, don't forget that we're your best source for any of your training needs to keep you on track with the success you want to achieve in this business. Good luck, everyone, and I'll see you all next week with another sales tip.